How to use a quiz that has been shared with you by the Job Customer Success team. In order to access quizzes that have been shared with you, click on the Shared With Me tab. Under this tab, you will see any quizzes that have been shared with you by the Job Customer Success team. Before using the quiz, you can choose to view the quiz, or if you would like to use the quiz, click on Copy and Edit. Clicking on Copy and Edit takes you into the Job Quiz Builder with the quiz videos and questions pre-populated. Here, all you have to do is input the details on the left-hand side, such as the quiz title, quiz type, subject tags, start date, end date, and quiz duration. You can also add or remove additional content to what has been shared with you. Once you have added everything you would like to, click on Save Quiz.